Hi, I'm Donna Ullman, and I am an integrative health professional. I am a yoga therapist with 18 years of rehab experience as a physical therapist assistant and orthopedic and neurological rehab. I am an urban Zen integrative therapist. That was one of Donna Karen's projects. If you look up Use It, Urban Zen, I'm a practitioner for that. We bring calm to the chaos, work with healthcare professionals, people who are ill, and even people in hospice. I have Reiki experience, and I'm Reiki certified, going through my higher level of Reiki certification now. And I'm a Young Living Oils distributor, and that I kind of fell into by mistake from my own experience. And I love educating people on oils and what they can do for you, and how to detox your home, your body, how to, and people don't think that what they put on their skin matters a whole lot. And it really does. The oils, the lotions, everything you put in, you know that upon applying oils, that they enter your heart, liver, and thyroid within 3 seconds. Then they enter your bloodstream within 26 seconds. They're in every cell of your body in 21 minutes. So that's not just the oils, that's other things that you put on your body too, if you think about that. But with oils, within 3 to 6 hours, they're out of your body. So they don't collect in the liver, they don't collect in the colon, they don't collect in these areas that cause toxicity. So that's really important. It became a big part of my life with my husband. And once I detoxify our house, I diffuse, you can apply topically. And I love to incorporate all of that into my yoga therapy, because yoga therapy is not just about doing yoga. It's about addressing the mind, body, and soul with strength, stability, and balance. And that's kind of where Om Yoga Wellness comes from. It's Om Yoga Wellness for strength, stability, and balance for the mind, body, and soul. I could go on and on about, educating on the oils. I do that through Zoom. I do it through live speaking classes. I do it one-on-one. And same thing with the yoga therapy. I do it one-on-one. I have a lot of clients that have neurological deficits, such as Parkinson's or MS. They are no longer able to do rehabilitation. That's covered, but they still need to be active. And that's kind of where I come in. And I'd love to work with just anybody who wants to improve their lifestyle in any way, shape, or form. I don't want to go over my 5 minutes. I went over my 30 seconds so much before, so I'm being very mindful of that. I'm building my website right now, and you'll be able to get link to the classes that I am preparing on there, which are going to be chair yoga classes, meaning that they're all standing, balanced, and seated in the chair for people who don't want to get on the floor, can't get on the floor, don't like being on the floor. And then I also give the standard yoga 1-2 class for getting on the floor, balance, all that. And it's multi-style yoga. So we do breath awareness, we do some meditation, a lot of linking the breath to the movement, because that's meditation in motion. Not a lot of sun salutations. I'm not a big sun salutation girl. I'm more about, let's get in the pose. Where do we need to be? Build, that kind of thing. So
you have
also rehab Pilates trained. So I've been Pilates rehab trained.
You have more than a minute left.
Okay. Let's see. What else did I want to touch base on? Going back to the oils, I teach people and educate them in how they can support your immune system, your respiratory system, your endocrine system, your cardiovascular system, and your digestive system. And did you know that there's a direct link between your sense of smell and your memory? And that is why memory can invoke, or smell can invoke a memory, whether it be good or bad. Chocolate chip cookies can make remember grandma's house, stuff like that. So we use oils for emotional support and releasing bad and old emotions, not just the physical end of the body, but the emotional end of it too.
Great. Can I ask you a couple of questions real quick?
Sure.
what are the top things you would offer to people if you're going to sell online your services?
Well, first I would have them fill out a little survey of what they're looking for, because I like to meet people where they are. So what is it are they looking for? I would always do an assessment on their alignment of their posture, of their seated posture, standing posture, and I would go from there if I was doing yoga rehab, starting with the posture, because everything begins and ends with the posture. And then I would want to incorporate with them, what are they looking for? Are they looking, what goals do they have? And I would build my system around them. Are they having trouble sleeping? What are they doing? Are they open to using oils? You don't have to ingest them. You can just apply them topically. You can do a scent tent where you just place it on your hand, a couple of minutes, then you've got the effects of it. So I like to meet people where they are and work on what they're doing, but that's basically where I would be.
Great. Thank you so much, Donna. And your website is?
omyogawellness.com.
Okay. And please put it in the chat. And thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kelly Fox with Kelly Lynn Coaching, and I am a Fear Mastery coach. I was certified with Fearless Living Institute, and I would love to invite you to my group coaching book group that's coming up on January Saturday. It's a Saturday, the 23rd, and I'm giving you guys all a great price for being here. So you can find it on my website, which is Kelly Lynn, LYNNE coaching.com.
Great, thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Amba of Sunrise Integrative Therapies, or SIT Wellness, and I am all about right now getting people involved in the 4-month Healthy Habits Challenge, which for $20.21, you get a huge PDF with links you can click on, and it will take you to classes of QiGong, classes of yoga, and also classes of dancing for 30 minutes. And it has 5 guided meditations by me. So if you know anybody that wants to be part of a fun, Healthy Habits Challenge and meet a lot of fun people, send them to sitwellness.com. S as in Sam, I-T, sitwellness.com. I'm Dr. Amba. Thank you very much. 3.
I'm doing what now? 5? Hi, I'm Erica Gimble. I am here in Oakland, California, and it's so nice to be part of Dr. Amba's networking and download our goodness. And I just want to, just send my care and love out to you all out there. And so I'm a psychotherapist here in Oakland, and I've been working on Zoom and by phone, so I can reach all over and for coaching or for therapy. And I also am offering workshops in creativity and movement bliss from the perspective of very small micro movements. Is this one 4-part series class I'm offering coming up on Fridays, 4 Fridays in January and February. And that is called Intrinsic Movement for Bliss and Creativity. And when people do this kind of protocol with me, all sorts of stuck places become unstuck, and it's a deepening for going inside. I find that, this is such an amazing time to slow down and go inside, whatever that means to you, and see what those impulses and urges are from the smallest level possible. And then all sorts of openings occur. And it sounds a little like, what? But, we walk around so much like we're these human thinking beings, and this is allowing us to step outside of that and go for more inside animal selves. And we use this a lot in trauma therapy to help people get through all sorts of stuck places. So I invite you to come reach out to me. The other workshop I have been cooking up it's called the Crouching Tiger Hidden Artist, and it is a Living Your Art series. We're in a pre-launch phase right now, and the last Wednesday in January, we will start the process. It will go through the end of March, and we're using this awesome tried and proven beautiful book from long ago, The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron, and all sorts of beautiful downloads for, again, igniting yourself as a creator, igniting yourself as a activator for all the things that you want to do in your life as a burgeoning artist or as a working successful artist of whatever kind of art is your jam. But what I love about this process is there's a lot of time to go inside and to do the activities that help you take your steps. And also, what is also fun about this is being in a committed group where we can play accountability and inspire each other. That always gets me really jazzed. So I invite you to reach out to me. You can do so through Facebook Messenger, or you can reach out to me through my website. My email is there. I'm ericagimbel.com. Erica spelled with a K. My last name is spelled Gimbel. And I look forward to hearing what this could be for you. It's really such a beautiful time to dream and to step into possibility. And all those thoughts that say, no, no, I couldn't possibly, or no, I can't draw for anything. Well, yeah, I've thought that too. I grew up in a family with artists and professional artists, and my jam was more expressive art as a actor and a singer and a stand-up comic. So what is so fun is you get to kind of find out what this could be for you, and then take your steps. You'll be supported lovingly, gently, and also perhaps strongly. It's really, we're creating this together, and we invite you to come and bring other people that you think might benefit from this activation. This is the time to get going. And thank you so much. I'm so excited. Thank you, Dr. Amba, for creating your 4-month challenge. I get to be part of that. And I'm so excited for seeing what we all create with taking our little steps, whether they're little baby steps, and over time they become big results. So thank you, and so much love to all of you.
Thank you so much, Erica.
Hi, I'm here with Dr. Amba. She asked me if I would talk a little bit about my plant powders that I love so much. And I've been eating these plant powders for, I think, coming on 12 years now. And in my time of doing that, my health picture has definitely improved and shifted and changed for the better, so that I never get sick. Or if I do ever have a day of feeling like I'm getting a cold, I double up on my plant powders. I get some extra sleep, and boom, I'm done with that. Like, I never get sick anymore. So in the time that I've been eating these plant powders, my allergies have greatly been reduced. And I used to be the one that always needed like 8 tissues, and I sounded like Darth Vader. And my sister would say, could you stop breathing? Because she thought I'd be like doing it on purpose. And no, I just had major congestion. So over the years, cutting out some of the inflammatory foods and adding in the plant powders, I can breathe all the time. I never need those tissues, although, I still kind of am traumatized. I carry them around a little bit. So yeah, I have decreased inflammation. And then also my fitness has been greatly improved. I never could run very long distance. Now I am a triathlete. I'm a triathlon sprint runner, swimmer, bicyclist. And I've done 2 sprints. I've done a 10K, and I'm on an awesome team where we support everybody with that. But, for thinking and taking a look at these plant powders, you got to think, am I eating 9 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables every day? That's really hard to do. And if you happen to be an athlete, or if you happen to be someone who has autoimmune challenges of any kind, you want to double that, 9 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. So what does that really mean? What does that mean? A serving is like the size of your fist, right? And many people, maybe they get 5 servings of fruits and vegetables in a day. So with these plant powders and healthy lifestyle shifts, you too will have better fitness, recovery, decreased inflammation. Your blood work will be improved. Your cardiovascular doc will be like, what are you doing? Keep doing that. If you are going through cancer, your cancer doc will be like, your numbers are looking really good. I've seen it time and time and time again. These results over time. And some people, they just do this one simple thing of adding in these plant powders, and they start craving better foods. They start craving the apple instead of the Doritos, and they start craving the celery, the carrots. Kids who've said they've never wanted any bit of broccoli, they're asking for the broccoli. And we have story after story after story. There's a whole free product program for your children up through age 26, 4 to age 26 can be part of a family health study where the child gets their product for free. So this company has really made a commitment. So now over 1.5 million kids have participated in this Healthy Starts for Family program. And what I would suggest is talk to Dr. Amba, talk to me, and find out more. What could this be for you? If you have a particular health challenge or concern, we don't ever say that we can cure or heal any disease or illness or issue, but based on the research, we can say, this will reduce your inflammation. This will reduce your, your salt and sugar cravings. This will improve your sleep. This will improve your BMs, and all of those functions. Your microbiome gets improved. Your gut health gets improved, and then everything else starts to look, feel more better. And that's my story. I hope that inspires you to chat with us. And we are part of this thing called the Healthy Living Revolution. So, so for those of you who are on this challenge with Dr. Amba, the 4-month challenge, I'm participating, and I'll be with you to support your goals and your health goals as well. This is really helping people have an easier time of their results and the catalyst for change. So thank you for letting me share.